Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Suzanne from Susie's Handmade Crafts, and today we're going to make a beautiful scarf that I'm calling the Periwinkle scarf. It has 26 chains, and I'm using some worsted weight yarn and a size 6mm hook. So grab that hook in your yarn and let's get started. We're going to start by chaining up 26. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay. In the second stitch from the hook, single crochet. And you're going to need to put a single crochet in every stitch across to the end. Okay, once you get to the end, we're going to chain 5 and turn our work. Now we're on our second row. There's my chain 5. Now we're going to skip 2 chains and double crochet into the third chain. We're going to place a double crochet in the next 3 chains. Chain 2 and skip 2 on the bottom. We're going to double crochet in the next 3 chains for a total of 4 double crochets. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next 4 stitches, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the last 4 stitches of the row. And that should be the last stitch. So it should look something like this. Okay. Now, to get to the next row, we're going to chain 5 again. Turn your work. you're going to skip 2 chains, this one and this one. In the top of the 4th double crochet, you're going to make a double crochet. Okay, and into the space right here, 2 double crochets. Okay, and you're going to place a double crochet into the first double crochet. So it looks like this. So you're going to be placing double crochet in sets of 4. So you're going to chain 2. You're going to skip 2 stitches and place a double crochet into the 3rd double crochet. Then you're going to place 2 double crochet into the box. So we need 4 double crochets. So we need to put 1 over here to the top of this double crochet. So it looks like this. Chain 2 and skip 2. So you're skipping the tops, these 2 double crochets, and you place a double crochet right into the top of the one underneath. Now we have to have 4 double crochets in a row. So we're going to put 2 double crochets in this box. We need a 4th one, so we're going to put it into the top of this double crochet underneath. Okay, chain 2, skip 2 on the bottom, double crochet. Now we have to have 4 to make our box. See, it's a little pattern. So we're going to put 2 into the box. Now we have to have our 4th one. So what we're going to do is find that last turning chain and count up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and the 3rd chain, double crochet. So it should look like this. Repeat pattern from now on out will be this. It's the same as row 2. We're going to chain 5, turn, skip 2 into this chain right here, which is the 4th double crochet on the bottom row. Place your double crochet into the top. You need 2 double crochets in this open space. We have 3, we need 1 more. So the double crochet will go into the top of this double crochet. Like this. Chain 2. Skip 2. Find that 3rd one. Double crochet. Two double crochets in the open space. With your 4th one, we'll place it in the top. Chain 2, skip over the 2 on the bottom, Identify the third one, 2, we our fourth one, the top of double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, last stitch right there. We're going to put our double crochet and 2 in this box. Made our fourth double crochet. We're going to identify the third chain, place our double crochet, and that makes our, if you're counting your single crochet row, that would be our fourth row. It's our third row of our quads. This is what the stitch is called, quads, because it's 4 double crochet together. It makes really pretty little boxes. If you repeat this pattern and go as long as you would like, you'd have a really beautiful scarf. So we're going to chain up 5, turn, skip 2, into square box, start to take a nice shape. If you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comment box below, and I'll be glad to help you. I hope your scarf turns out well, and if you'd like, you can leave your pictures down below in the comment box. I'd love to see them, or you could send them to me on my Ravelry account. My link is in my profile. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.